Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be showing you guys this lovely pizza cupcake with no yeast recipe. It is really nice. I hope you enjoy the rest of this video. So all you have to do is add all your dry ingredients into a mixing bowl. The exact measurements would be in the description box below, and you don't have to use the same amount of sugar that I'm using. I just really like my pizza sweet. And then I'm going to add the wet ingredients. So I'm just showing you guys how thick or thin, depends on how you see it, I made my dough to be. And then I'm just spraying my cupcake baking papers with some oil. You can also use some butter if you want. And I'm just cutting out my circles. You can use anything to form this shape. I felt like this was the perfect size for it, so that's why I'm using this one in particular. So when everything is done and ready, I'm just adding some barbecue sauce as the base. If you have some sweet chili sauce, oh my god, please add this. It is absolutely amazing. As of the time that I was making this video, I didn't have any more sweet chili sauce, so I couldn't add it to it, but it is really good. And then I'm going to be adding the rest of my toppings. So after baking it in the oven for about 25 minutes, this is what my pizza cupcakes looks like. It was so delicious, and I'm just showing you guys the inside. Like, it was actually done. It was baked really nice and well. The insides were done. It was ready. I hope you guys truly try out this recipe because it's really good, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, comment and subscribe if you haven't. Also share this video with your family and friends. Show them love, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.